welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to actually do this turban style. A lot of you requested this turban style. It's super easy, just so you know that it's not going to look the same each time you do it, but you will get similar effect with, you know, the little tassels here and there to look all cute. So if you guys are interested on how I actually tie this turban, then keep on watching. So in this video I'm going to use this scarf, and it's rather thin, as you guys can tell. It's really nice, and the material is more of a viscose, I would say, but more of a slippery type of viscose, and it's super thin, so that's why I was able to actually fold. You can see it's see-through. It's not a square hijab, this one is a rectangular hijab, so I'm going to actually fold it in half. Once you fold it in half, you should get this shape. This is the width. This is what we're actually working with, and it's thin enough. That's why it's gonna be creating really nice folds, and it's not gonna look too bulky. So this is it in half, and then what I will be doing is actually joining the two ends, so creating this triangular shape. So now you have a triangle, and it's easier to do that if you have a square hijab, of course, but not all of us actually have square hijabs or square scarves, so you can just use a rectangular one, but try to fold it into a square, then into a triangle at the end, and make sure that the actual fabric is not thick, so you guys can get this look. So we have a triangle. You have the two folds in a way, one here and the other here, these two ends, and this is more of the middle of the triangle. What I'll be doing is the middle of the triangle, I'm going to put it at the back. Okay, so the two ends are here. I'll look a little bit ridiculous, but just bear with me. And the front part where it does that triangular pointy end is going to be in front. Then you just gotta have to play around with it until you have enough coverage at the back. So I have enough coverage for my bun. You can use an actual volumizer as well if you want more volume. Make sure that those two ends are the same length. This is in the middle, and it's looking nice. Then you're going to take those two ends, making sure that you're creating a perfectly nice bun at the back. You're going to straighten it in the front, so it's going to look like this. This bit we're going to leave it here, so you guys can see I've covered every single bit of hair at the back, my bun, and everything is secure. We will adjust. If you want to actually show your earrings, you can. We will adjust afterwards, but for now we have this base. So what I'm gonna do is actually tie it up one knot, and what we'll do, everything is secure, we're gonna play around with it. I'm gonna pull it up a bit, so now we look like a bunny rabbit. That's what we want to look like, a bunny rabbit with really flabby ears on each end. Now we're gonna tie it up, and we're gonna create this crazy bow that I absolutely love on one side. I like it to be on my left side, and that's what we're gonna create. So we're liking the bow. Bow is really nice, and this thing at the bottom, what I normally do is I just kind of like tuck it at the bottom. I don't want it to show, and this is how we're looking like. Now we're gonna adjust. If we want our earring to show, we will. I like my underscarf to show, so I'm gonna kind of like make it show I'm just going to pull it from underneath. That's your preference. If you don't want your underscarf to show, you don't have to, but I like it. I like that black underscarf. Okay, so now we're gonna adjust and we're gonna have our earrings show, and this is how we're looking like. It depends on you. I like this to show like this. You can play around with your bow. You can make it bigger if you want, because there's several folds. I like it like that. And now, can you see this pointy bit? Don't really like it. It's not flattering. So what I'm gonna do is just play around with the fold. You're gonna fold it in inside the actual turban all around. Done. It actually looks very polished, which I absolutely love. And just bear in mind that it's not going to be the same each time. It depends on your scarf. If you have a perfectly square scarf, then it will look the same. Mine is not. I transformed an actual rectangular scarf into an actual square scarf, so that's the reason why it doesn't look the same each time. But absolutely love the outcome regardless, because you can always play around with the actual scarf. But I love the really big bow in front. It's just adds something to your turban. It makes it more nice. You can add really loud earrings if you want, and you can really play around with it. And I absolutely love this scarf because I can dress it up or dress it down. I can wear it with casual jeans and it will look really nice with nice red heels. And yeah, this is the actual turban style. I did one on Instagram. It's a quick reel, so if you guys want to check it out, that's there as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was short but sweet, and let me know how you guys recreate this look. I know a lot of you guys requested that video. That is why I am doing it today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you for the new faces on my YouTube channel. Welcome to my humble page. I hope you guys enjoy all the content, and I'll catch up with you guys later on. Bye.